Alright, this is a vlog, Microscale garage vlog. This is about the Alunar 3D printer. As you can see, I got it going. Right now I'm trying to learn how to print with petg. My nozzle temperature, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's 238. My bed is at 67. I'm running the speed at 22 because it's not sticking to this tape that I got on here. Ran out of the yellow tape and I ran out of blue tape, so my buddy brought over some white. It looked like Scotch tape, don't even look like painter's tape. It's not sticking to it, so I just ran some glue in there. Every print, when it's trying to do those little triangles, it keeps popping up, so I was thinking maybe if I go slower, just like how I do the TPU on the Monoprice, it'll hopefully stay on the bed. So every chance I get, I'll take the glue stick and just run it where I believe it's gonna start printing next, and try and put some glue stick down, because it's just like the glue stick is just like evaporating on this tape or something. So it's printing though, it's going. You know, I printed off some scale intercoolers. Let me show you guys those. Yeah, I printed off some scale intercoolers. This is Microscale garage. This is a thinner one. A buddy of mine up there at Excel Drones telling me he wanted it thinner, a little bit taller. So this is like my version 3. You can paint it. This is with the petg. I got it to print the other night with petg, and it held up with some paint. I'll put Microscale garage back there. It's on Thingiverse, Tinkercad, everything like that. I love watching these printers. Now that I got a new set of micrometers, I can actually mic it and make sure that my bed level is at 4 millimeters. And it's going, it's moving. I'll show you guys what the Monoprice Mini Delta is doing right now. Alright, my beloved baby, the Monoprice, and it printed off a lot of scale products for us. Right now, it's printing off some of this inland TPU. I don't really like it that much. I'm making another GoPro mount. Heat right now is at 215. The bed is at 55. Speed is at 0.3. I got it moving pretty fast just to try and see. Now, here's the support down here, and then there's the actual mount. So it's going to be some residual cleanup of the little boogers, but other than that, it'll look pretty clean. This is like my 5th one I've printed. The Sensei Smart or Cine Smart or whatever, how do you say it? That stuff really, one of my little 10 scale jack stands. But that Sensei Smart stuff prints a lot better. I don't have any mounts right now to show you guys, but $180 printer printing TPU. I tried TPE. My settings were off. I had retraction on. I think retraction is on right now. The reason why it's got the boogers, you just try and feel the filament. You can feel it retracting if it, you know, when it's moving. I mean, the bottom part of that base looks good. The base looks clean. I like that. Let's see, maybe I can turn on the light. Yeah, the base looks good. The base looks real good. I like that. It's just where it was. Okay, you can see. I don't know, the layers don't look all that together. I want to touch it. But alright. This is going to be it in the Monoprice Mini Delta. Printing some TPU. Like I said, I tried TPE. I gotta learn TPE a little bit more. And then just trying to get these doggone printers going. That way I can get some scale parts going. Like I want my tiny whoop, try and do this tiny whoop frame, because I designed a new trailer. A full enclosure trailer. And I'm going to try and print it on this printer. And I bought some carbon fiber filament. I got this from Amazon. and I'm gonna try and print the trailer in the carbon fiber filament, but everybody's telling me it stinks, so I'm thinking about taking my printer outside and printing it outside with it outside. I don't know, I'm not really for sure. This new printer stuff is really new to me, and I want to design that frame that I designed on SketchUp that I was showing you guys, that scale chassis for the Losi Trail Trekker axles. I want to print that out, make my own micro crawler, like Microscale Garage's crawler. I don't know if I gotta like get it all licensed and stuff. I don't know how you gotta do it about making your own product. I mean, there's like a lot of things in my head right now. I want to help my buddy out with his drone stuff. We're trying to do all these drone parts. I want to make Microscale Garage like a drone frame. I got a lot of things in my head, but this Sensei Smart stuff for the TPU, that stuff works good. I like that stuff better than that inland. Like I said, I got some TPE. We got the carbon fiber, and then we got the petg green. That's what we're printing with right now, so I can learn with different filaments. PLA is like easy. I haven't started printing ABS yet. People say that PT or PETG is like the baby between PLA and ABS. So yeah, that's what's going on in Microscale Garage. I haven't printed any like any scale artifacts yet, like the stairs or anything like that I was trying to design. Right now I'm trying to design a tire rack. So I'm taking all the Orlando Hunter tires, and I'm gonna try and design a tire rack with my micrometers and make a little tire rack, so that way I can hold my tires in the garage and they'll look scale inside there and everything like that. So, but alright you guys, that's just gonna be me just vlogging on. I gotta get in here and we're gonna go clean up the